children, hope you all are doing fine and I'm sure that you have done question answer of chapter 7 in your notebook. Children, today we are going to start chapter 8, poem What If, written by Shel Silverstein. Shel Silverstein was an American poet, cartoonist and a singer as well. He has written so many poems for children. He has won Grammy Awards for 2 times. So this poem of Shel Silverstein revolves around the tension, worries of a child like you. This poem is child-centric that tells us about the worries, tensions, troubles that a child faces. So what if ma'am takes a surprise test? How you are going to feel? Okay, what if I fail in exam? So such kind of tension, worries are occurring in a mind of child. So here in this poem, what if is personifies as a living being, as a creature, as an insect that crawls in the mind of a child. Okay, so now let us recite the poem and understand what has been told about the problems of a child. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what if crawled inside my ear and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. So here in these lines, boy of your age describes how what if is like a living being, is like a creature, and this creature enters into his ear. Through his ear, it enters to his mind, and here it parted, it is jumping, and it is singing what if song. So I am full of stress, I am full of worries. So the what if is crawling, it is dancing in the mind of that boy. In these lines, what if song continues. What if I'm dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? So here in these lines, the boy describes that what is going to happen if I'm not able to do anything in the school. Dumb means lack of ability. So what is going to happen if I want to swim but swimming pool is closed? So here in these lines, he is full of tension. What if I get beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? So here in these lines he speaks that what is going to happen if someone is going to beat me up, if someone adds poison in my cup. So what is going to happen? What if? Now again, different kind of worries and tension. What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? So the little child is very much afraid. He is full of tension and worries. So what if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? If I flunk that test, flunk means fail. What is going to happen if I fail in my test? What if green hair grows on my chest? So a very different kind of tension it is. What if green hair grows on my chest? If nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? So what is no one is going to be friend of that child? What is going to happen? And if a bolt of lightning strikes that child, hits that child, so again he is full of tension. What is going to happen is if no one is going to like me? Again in these lines he is full of tension that what is going to happen? What if I don't grow taller? My height is not going to increase. So what is going to happen? What if my head starts getting smaller? Now here again he is full of tension. What if the fish won't bite? Suppose the child has gone to catch fish, but the fish, he is not able to catch the fish. What if the wind tears up his kite? He is flying kites and fierce wind is blowing and his kite is torn. So what if the fish won't bite? What if the wind tears up my kite. Now he imagines what is going to happen if there is a war. What if my parents get divorced? If my parents are going to live separately, so what is going to happen? Again, he is full of tension. What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? So here in these lines, he is again full of worry that what if I'm going to miss my bus? What if my teeth are not growing in a straight line? They are not straight. What is going to happen? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? So if I tear my pants, my mom is definitely going to beat me. And what if I am not able to learn dance? My friends are going to make fun of mine. So what if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time, what if strikes again? So here in these lines, the boy says that during the day everything is fine, but whenever night strikes, what if also comes along with night? It crawls into my mind and start dancing and singing again same what if song. So it is very difficult to pass my night. So बच्चों, what if song, you all aware, it spreads light upon the thinking of a child. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Please recite poem yourself and complete the question answer that I'm going to send you in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.